Number 1 said, what is the slope? So you should have made a table. When x is 1/2, y is 3. When x is 2.5, y is 10. You should have gone to Stat, Edit. Can y'all see this okay? So I put in 1/2 by putting in 1 divided by 2. It's going to change it to a decimal, which is fine. Then I put in 2.5. I come over here, put in 3 and 10. I'm going to go to Stat Calc, option 4. What is the slope? 3.5. So the answer was A. The next question, number 2, wanted the slope and the y-intercept. Wanted the slope and the y-intercept. Can you already see the y-intercept? What is it? 0. So I could have marked off B, because the y-intercept is wrong, and D, just so that I don't pick those. Now I'm going to have to go to Stat to get the slope. So I'm going to type in at least 2 coordinates. Remember, you don't need more than 2. -2, 0, 8, and 0. If you want to put the whole table, that's perfectly fine. Go to Stat Calc, option 4. What is the slope? -4. Oh, I didn't mean to mark out D. I meant to mark out that one. Because I accidentally marked out D and the y-intercept was 0. I meant to mark out C. All right. Number 3. In the equation form, y equals mx plus b, what does the m stand for? Okay, so let's talk about it. In y equals mx plus b, the m stands for what? Slope and rate. So the answer was C. Y'all should be changing your answers if you missed them. All right, moving on to number 4. The question says, what is the slope of the graph? Well, here's your line. What would slope dude say about this line? He'd be falling off the mountain saying, undefined. So the answer was B. Number 5. What is the slope of the following graph? What would slope dude say about this one? He'd be trucking along skiing saying, this is 0 fun. Please do not get undefined and 0 mixed up. Undefined means you're falling off. 0 means you're skiing and not having any fun. Okay? Number 6. In the equation y equals mx plus b, the b stands for, all right, it says in the equation y equals mx plus b, the b stands for everything except, so let's go write it out. In y equals mx plus b, what does the b stand for? Y-intercept. What else? We learned this during our equations. Say it again. One-time fee and starting point or starting amount, either way. So it says, which of these except? So is it a one-time fee? Yes. Is it a starting point? Yes. Is it a slope? No. Is it a y-intercept? Yes. So check number 6. Make sure you put C. Number 7 said, what is the slope of the coordinates? So I should have made a table out of these. So I have -4 and 3, 2 and -5. So I go to Stat, Edit, clear out my list, type in -4 and 2, 3 and -5, Stat Calc. What is the slope? -1 point what? 3 repeating. So first of all, look at it. What kind of number is this? Negative or positive? So could I mark off A? Yes, because it's positive. This is negative. Could I mark off B? No. Could I mark off C? Now, all I need to know is which one of these is that as a decimal? So I go to my home screen. I type in alpha y equals -4/3, math decimal enter. Is that the answer? Yes. Number 10. What is the slope of the table? What am I going to use? Stat. So I go to stat, edit, clear out my list. Do I have to type in the whole table? No, I need at least 2 coordinates. Stat calc for, what is the slope? +3. I don't even see all of you checking your answers. Number 9. What is the Y-intercept? Did the table give you the Y-intercept? How do you know? It's what is Y when X is 0? What's the answer? 3. Number 10. What is the slope and the Y-intercept? Which one's the easiest one to find? Y-intercept. So I'm going to go look at the Y-intercept first. Find the Y-axis. Where is the line touching the Y-axis? At -3. So the Y-intercept is -3. Look at A. Can I mark it out? Look at B. Can I mark it out? Is C good? Is D good? Do I need to do anything else? Okay, but let's talk about the slope. The slope, I need 2 points. The rise is 1. The run is 2. And it's going down for negative. So that is correct. Okay, number 11. What is the slope and Y-intercept of the equation? Guys, if y'all miss this question, that tells me you're not paying attention at all. And Y equals mx plus b. The m is the b is the, all right, which one of these numbers is in the slope position? 2. So which answer is the only one that says 2 for slope? Do not miss that question. You'll see how easy it is. All right, number 12, same thing. What is the slope and Y-intercept? Which one of these is the slope? -1/2. So slope, this one's good. This one's not. Is this one good? Yes. Is this one good? No. Now here's the problem with this one. Y'all better look. What is the Y-intercept? It is a 10, but it has a negative value because that subtraction sign assigns it a negative value. So number 12 was A. Please check your answer and make sure you put it correctly. Okay, number 13. What is the slope and Y-intercept? What did I tell you was the easiest one to find? So I look at the Y-axis. Where is that line touching the Y-axis? So the Y-intercept is 0. So I can mark off A and I can mark off C. Look at D. What does it say in the slope is? What does the slope of 0 look like? A horizontal line. Is this a horizontal line? So it has to be what? But let's look at it. I pick 2 dots. My rise is 1. My run is 1. And that simplifies to 1. Number 14. What is the Y-intercept of the graph? Where is this line touching the Y-axis? +1 or -1? Positive. Why? Because here's 0. It is touching above 0, which is +1. If you put if you put C, you're saying it touched down here at -1, and it did not. Okay, last question, number 15. What is the slope and Y-intercept of the graph? Let's find the Y-intercept. Do y'all see the Y-axis right here? Where is it touching the Y-axis? At +3. So what's the only answer that says that? C. But if I do rise over run, my rise is 2. My run is 4, and it's going down. If I simplify that in my calculator, it simplifies to -1/2.